today we will be doing exercise 8A of the book D1 7th edition. Okay, so now first question is he has given us A part 28%. He wants us to convert this into a fraction. So for converting to fraction, we will simply do 28 over 100, as the percentage sign stands for divided by 100. Moving on to the D part. D part is 6 whole 3 over 5%. So it will be 33 over 5%. We will simply divide this by 100. That will be 0.066%. Okay, moving on to the question number 2. Over here, okay, question number 2, 4%. He needs us to convert this to a decimal. 4 over 100, it will be a 0.04. This is the A part. Moving to the D part. D part says 33 whole 2 over 3%. Okay, so 101 over 3%, we need to divide it by 100. That will become 0.336. Moving on to the question number 3. Question number 3 says that express each of the following fraction as a percentage. 3 over 5. To convert it into a percentage, we will just multiply it with 100. It will come out to be 60%. Moving on to the D part, we have 1 whole 6 over 25. So first of all, we will convert it. 25 plus 6, 31 over 25. When we will multiply to 100, it will convert into percentage. It will be 124%. Okay, moving on to question number 4. A part. Express each of the following decimals as a percentage. 0.78. So when converting it into a percentage, the sign percentage means divided by 100. Okay, so when we put a percentage sign to it next to it, this means that this is being divided by 100 and the result will be the same, 0.78%. So we can write it as 78%. Moving on to the F part. 2.6, it would be 260%. As the sign percent means divided by 100, it is the same as this. Moving on to the question number 5. He says that find the value of each of the following. 50% of $70. Okay, so we have to calculate 50% of $70. First of all, we need to see that $70 is 100%. Okay, we need to calculate the 50%. What will be the 50%? We don't know. We put an X. So now we do cross multiplication. 50 into 70, it will give us a 3500. 3500 is equal to 100x. So now this 100 is being multiplied. It will go to the other side and get divided. 3500 divided by 100. So the 50% of $70 is $35. Okay, moving on. The B part of question number 5. The B part of question number 5. 80% of 4.5 meter. Okay, so first of all, we need to see that 4.5 is the 100%. We need to calculate the 80%. We don't know what it is, so we put an X in its place. So it would be this cross multiplication like this. 4.5 into 80 is equal to 100 into X. So 4.8 into 80 will be 384 is equal to, divided by 100. This 100 is being multiplied, will go to the other side and will get divided, is equal to X. So X is equal to 384 divided by 100, 3.84 meter. So 80% is 3.84 meter. In the next exercise, we will be doing next questions, question 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.